So today we're just going to recap on our trading today. As usual, we started with the economic calendar in the morning. Again, we're just focusing on the Euro-US dollar. And looking at Tuesday, the 8th of March, we saw that there were no reports coming out today that would affect the market we were interested in, which was the Euro-US dollar. So we just went straight onto the market. And as we can see here, when we met this morning, that's what we saw this morning. And we met at 6:45. The market was going sideways, then it broke the pivot point, came back down. So this morning we decided that we'd either buy just above the high of the day at 13,991. And then we noticed the market had made a support. And we decided that we will sell at 13,954, just below the support of the market. So we said since the market has formed like a support, we will sell just below the support of the market. So we had two pending orders this morning, one to buy just above the high of today and one to sell just below the support of the market. So that was our plan. And the market kept going, and then we can see here at 7:40, the market took our sell order. And according to our trading plan, once the sell order was taken, that kicks in a 20-point stop loss. So I had a stop loss at 13,984. Sorry, 13,974. So we had a stop loss of 20 points. So our order was taken, 7:40. Stop loss of 20 points was kicked into place, and our profit target was 60 points away, which was 13,894. Oops. $13,894. Here we are. So that was our 60-point profit target. So that was the plan. The market took our order at 7:40, 20-point stop in place, 60-point profit limit in place. But our first target was when the market moves halfway towards that profit target, which would be 13,924. So that's our first target. As you can see, the market initially rallied back up, but our stop loss was sufficient and came back down, and we can see about 8:35 the market got to the halfway point. So at the halfway point we'll move our stop loss to the opening level, just so we don't risk any money at that point, but we'll leave the trade in place till it gets to the limit. And the market was going sideways, then it went sideways for a while, and then started to go down again, and we achieved our 60-point profit limit at 105. So we achieved our profit target, we got our 60 points, and it came out of the trade. So we got to our 60-point limit at that point, sold 7:40, moved our stop when it got to the halfway point, waited for the market to get to our profit limit, got to our profit limit there, 60 points, and we'd achieved our profit target for the day at that point, and then we stopped trading. So we just update our spreadsheet. Like I said, we'll just ignore the second trade which no one took. So we'll just assume we just had a profit limit of, we achieved 60 points today using half a contract. So that's £30. So we've gone from £97.50 to 127.5. Okay, but again, the most important thing is just to make a comment. It was a good trading day, not because we made money again. It's a good trading day because we stuck to the trading plan, and that's the key. The key is that we're happy because we stuck to the plan. So now, that's what happened today. Okay, any questions? If you have any questions, you can either click the hand button or send a question through the question box. And then we'll look ahead to tomorrow. I just see there's a question here. I didn't take the trade at 13954 because the market has already taken off by the time I came on board. Oh, okay. But placed the sell order at the first resistance and achieved my 20 points target. Oh, brilliant. Well done. Well done. Well done. Yes. The comment was that someone missed the sell order at the support of the market, but still sold just below the first support, again, which is a good place to sell. They still sold at the first support, and the market would have taken their order at that point. But again, you can see that the 20-point stop loss would have been 13951. So it would have taken them in here. The stop loss would have been sufficient, and yes, they would have achieved their profit target too at 13873. Brilliant. So you can see even if you had taken a sell order just below the first support, you would have still achieved your profit target at 235. So yes, those were two good points of entry into the market today: the support of the market or using the support of the pivot points. So yeah, well done using that. That was good. That was good. Any other questions or comments before we look ahead to tomorrow? Okay, good. No questions. Oh, please remember tomorrow, like I said, there won't be a session in the evening. We'll be doing the 5 steps to online success. So please do log in for the session tomorrow at 8 o'clock for the 8 p.m. for the 5 steps to online success. And maybe after that session, we will talk about the markets. But yeah, don't log in with the trading webinar login details tomorrow evening.